right, it's time to reveal your final dress. Hey everybody, I'm Miaira, and today I'm going to be surprising my friend Vivian with a sustainable dress. I love to take previously owned items and thrifted items and turn them into something completely brand new to wear. And sometimes I transform things that aren't even clothing items at all and turn them into wearable pieces. Now, typically, I'm always finding ways to sustainably revamp my own wardrobe, but today I'm super excited because I get to surprise my friend Vivian with an upcycled dress. Vivian is a super talented DIYer and upcycler herself, so it's going to be a really fun challenge for me to see what I can find and transform into a dress that she's going to love, hopefully. I would describe her style as elegant baddie. She's classy, but also not afraid to show some skin, mix it up a little bit. So this is gonna be really fun. I really hope she likes what I was able to do. I can't wait to see her reaction. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also excited. So let's just hope for the best and see how it goes. All right, y'all, I just got to the thrift store, so the hunt is on. Let's go see what they got. Curtains and drapes. This red curtain really pops, but I think I just want something a little lighter and more airy. Okay, y'all, so Vivian really loves the color peach, and I found this peach curtain with these floral details. I think I might go with this one. $8.99. Okay, so this curtain is actually a little bit sheer, as you can see, so I'm gonna look for something that I can use as a liner so it's not see-through. Okay, this curtain, it's not the exact same color, but I think it'll work for the inner lining. $4.99. All right, I got everything I need. I cannot wait to transform this thrifted curtain into a cute little dress for Vivian. I'm gonna head home and get started. Thrifting and upcycling are both really amazing and sustainable ways to revamp your wardrobe without contributing to the fast fashion industry and all of the damage that they do. When you walk into a thrift store and you see items that were already owned, you get a chance to really challenge your creativity and turn them into something completely brand new, something that fits your personal style and that nobody else will have. I put the curtain up on the window so you can see it in its natural habitat before we transform it. So I think all I'm gonna do is cut a strip from the bottom, make sure we keep that floral part, and just start with the skirt portion. And then maybe do a halter top. I think that would look really cute. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start by cutting the bottom right underneath these folded layers. And that's gonna be the hemline of the dress. Step one is done. I completely forgot that I had gotten this other material as the lining because we didn't want the dress to be see-through. So now I'm just gonna cut a piece that's the same exact size. This curtain has a casing already that will be perfect for this elastic band. Stretch is always best, in my opinion. So I can go ahead and slip this through. What I'm gonna do is fold the very top of this top curtain down, and then I'm gonna place it right underneath the casing of the bottom curtain and pin it right on, and that's where I'm gonna sew. So this is the waistband. The skirt portion is cut. Now, as you can see, I made the fabric a little bit longer than the actual elastic waistband, and that's because once we insert the waistband into the casing, I wanna be able to scrunch it up and add some dimension to the skirt and not just have it lay flat. I messed up, and that's what I get for not stopping to measure for 2 seconds. I did not make this long enough to go all the way around the waist. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna have to add these extra portions and hope that it's long enough. Okay, I created another piece here, so when I head to the sewing machine, I'm just gonna have to sew these two sides together to make it longer. Whew. For the top, I'm thinking definitely halter top. It's summer, that'll be cute. And I kind of just want to create 2 really long triangles, and then later on I will attach them to the actual skirt portion, maybe. And then I will cut a strip to create the straps. All I have to do is finish up all of the edges, sew the pieces together, make a strap for the halter top, add that, and it's gonna look so cute. Next up, the sewing machine. Now all that's left to do is to sew all of the raw edges. sew the skirt pieces together, insert the elastic waistband, and then sew the skirt portion onto that top halter portion. I can't wait to see it. The skirt is all sewn, so now I'm going to attach this safety pin to the end of the elastic waistband, slip it all the way through the casing. The safety pin just makes it way easier to get the elastic through that opening. Both sides are through, and just sew them together. Skirt portion is done, now I just have to finish the top and we can see it all together. The waistband that I currently have, I feel like is a little bit too puffy. So what I'm gonna do is cut a belt out of the remaining fabric, and then she'll be able to tie it around the waistband on the outside, tie it in a bow in the back. It'll be really cute. It looks so cute. I cannot believe it started out as a curtain. It looks so cute and I really hope she loves it. I'm just about to steam this bad boy, make it presentable, and it will be ready to go. I can't wait until she sees it. So here is the final dress. I absolutely adore this dress. It's cute, it's playful, it's flirty, it's summery, shows a little skin. I think it's absolutely perfect for Vivian and I cannot wait to show her this dress. I hope she loves it. All right, y'all, the time has come. Vivian, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, it's time to reveal your final dress. I'll be right back. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's so cute.
Do you like it?
Oh my gosh, I really love the color first off.
Ah, yes. I know you love peach and like.
And I mean, it's in the color family. It's so dainty.
I made it out of curtains.
Well done. I love that because who needs curtains?
Right.
Who needs curtains?
Who needs curtains when you can wear a dress?
I love a V-neck. You know, show the girlies, but also keep them covered, you know, nice and
yes.
a little scandalous, but not. Like, what part of the curtain
Yeah.
was this?
So this was the top of the curtain, and this was the bottom of the curtain.
Nice.
So I kind of just reversed it. I know you like form-fitting stuff, but sometimes she also does the poof. So I thought, you know, this nice little poof would add something to it, even though it's short, make it a little bit classy, but then you got a little bit of sexy with the back out.
Yeah, I love an open back. Look, I got the bridal shower tomorrow. This might be a tomorrow thing.
Okay.
You just saved me a trip to the store. You know what? Let me try this on.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes, we need a look. Let's do it. Oh my gosh.
So cute.
This looks amazing on you.
Thank you. And I'm living for the open back. This feels so fun and summery. I love it.
How does it feel?
It's very comfortable. I'm like so surprised that these are curtains because it also feels really light, which again is great for summer. So I'm excited about that. Cute, feminine, but like comfortable. And so I appreciate you for making this for me.
Absolutely.
I would say my favorite part of the dress is actually the skirt, and it kind of gives me like old country English vibes. Bridgerton, but hoochie.
Bridgerton baddie.
Bridgerton baddie.
Hey.
Yes.
Well, Vivian, I am so glad that you like it. It looks so good on you. It was awesome to make this out of curtains. I know a lot of people do thrifting projects all the time and upcycling, and sometimes you just think you can transform clothes, but hopefully this inspires you to find things that aren't even clothes and turn them into fashion. It may be challenging, but you can get creative and make something for a friend like I did. And I can't wait to see where she wears this because I already know it's gonna turn heads.